Ay, ang ganda, Lord. Bakit hindi ako dito pinanganak? Ang ganda ng view, tapos nag-relax ka. Okay lang naman ako, guys, sa Mount Everest. Nawawala tayo. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako. Hindi ko alam kung tama tong pinagagagawa ko. CX520 347. Gate 47 ako. Ang ganda ng airport nila dito. Yan, buti na lang. Yan yung kinuha natin flight kasi hindi tayo nangangarag. Hindi tayo nangangarag. Sobrang lamig. Mapagod na ako. Ang bigat ng mga maleta ko. Ang lamig dito. Naninigas na yung kamay ko. Ay. Bro, finally I'm here. I booked this hotel via Klook for 5,700 per night. Yeah, I know. I-compute nyo na lang yun kung magkano yun for 6 nights. Expensive? Yes, I think the room is too small for its price, but I learned that it's actually pretty common for hotels here in Tokyo. I tried to look for hotels or capsule hotels where most backpackers or solo travelers stay, but this was actually during the Eras Tour week, so every hotel in good location was already booked. Plus, it's my first time to solo travel, so I have to stay in a hotel where everything is accessible. And I think this is it. I'll be in my room for 6 nights. Sobrang lapit niya sa train station. It's a few stations away to Shibuya, Akihabara, Shinjuku, Tokyo Dome, and even has an access to SkyTrain papuntang Narita Airport. Sobrang mahal ng taxi and private cars dito sa Tokyo, kaya very convenient na malapit siya sa train station. Pikit mata ko tong binook, but I think the price is pretty decent if only have a +1. I'm here! Yeah! Ang tandilin. Hello. Please give me food! Some food! Hi. Ohayo. Hi. Ayan, kakain na tayo. Ito muna ang ating food for today. For tonight. Dahil wala na ano kung kumain sa labas. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi. Kain na tayo. Itadakimasu. Charis. Parang masarap naman yung pagkain ko. Diba? Gyoza and... Uy, ito! Nakita ko to! Ito yung nakikita ko palagi. Parang mga... What is it? Na ano, malambot. Yung parang laging... Nasa TikTok yata yun. Yung may pinapop dito. Pero nag-pop na siya. Gutom na ako. Nagutom ako. I'm so hungry! Nagutom ako maglakad. Ang konti naman ng sauce. Ang konti naman. Hindi naman kasya. Tikman natin. Masarap. Galam. Sarap. NANI? Doon pala kasi ilalagay, be. May lagayan, be. Hindi mo isasawsaw. Oplox. Masarap! Parang pagkain pa lang sa Family Mart, solve na ako, Saan kaya ako pupunta? Hindi ko pa alam. Bukas, guys, sa tingin nyo. Hindi. Kahit naman pala itanong ko sa inyo. Pagka-upload nito, wala na. Nakauwi na ako. Na-microwave ba to? Luto na ba to? Parang hindi. Luto na siguro to, no? Hindi maluto to. Kumain na ako ng hilaw. Hilaw na spam. Ganito pa ako. Yung TV nila, walang Netflix. Ano kayong gagawin ko? Sarap talaga mga mamshi. Ba't ganun? Iba yung lasa ng gyoza dito. Diba? May mga Japanese resto saan. Hindi ganito yung lasa. Parang ito, dito parang ano, alam mo yung nanunuot. Sobrang, lasa. Sobrang malasa. Kung nakapanood kayo ng mga Japanese or yung mga anime na about sa cooking, ganon yung parang napapaganon. Just... Masarap kasi talaga. Oo. Promise. Parang papaganon ka. Tinigil ko nga lang kanina eh. Papaganon ako eh. Harap. Dahil gutom ako. Oishi.
The next day.
Okay, day 1. First in my itinerary, I went here in Akihabara or Electric Town, known for its electronics, anime, manga. Madami din silang second-hand phones. don't worry because yung phones dito, hindi to parang napitik sa Quiapo. Good deal ang mga phones. Plus, may tax refund. Ang agenda ko talaga dito ay yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I read somewhere na available siya dito. Kaso nung time na nagtingin ako, puro Osmo Pocket 2 pa lang yung meron sa stores. To be honest guys, yung first 2 to 3 days ko dito, for me is mema lang. May mapuntahan lang talaga, ganon. Wala akong solid na itinerary. Actually, si Taylor lang talaga yung dinayo ko dito sa Tokyo. My first 2 days, just went into shopping, tsaka sa pasabay. More on gala, tapos ikot lang dito around kung ano man makita. Since, you know, everything or every corner here in Japan is Instagrammable. Kahit nga, ayan, vendo machine, very aesthetic. One noticeable thing lang here in Akihabara is yung mga local sa tabi-tabi. Yung mga nag-o-offer ng maid cafes. Most of them ay naka-cosplay. So if you are someone na mahilig sa anime, manga, video games, this place is a haven for you. Ayun na nga, so that night, nag-Don Quixote lang ako and then around 9 p.m. umuwi na ako kasi takot akong maiwan ng train. Last trip ng train is around 10 p.m. Taxis are really expensive here in Tokyo. So that's it. That's for my day 1. Or day 2. Man lang matikman, di ba? Sarap kaya yan? Hi guys, kakain muna tayo. Gutom na ako. Hindi pa tayo kain. Isa sa mga culture shock dito sa Japan. Close na pala doon. Iba na lang. Hindi pala like full day open yung mga restaurants nila. Some of their restaurants, they're open on a specific time lang. Etong restaurant na dapat kakainan ko, yung lunchtime nila, it was scheduled 12 noon to 3 p.m. And I was there 3:30 p.m. So, ayun, closed na sila. And dito ako napadpad. Yung mga ganong oras, it's like happy hour na for the Japanese people. Because ito yung resto na open. And it's not where you can get your lunch. Most people here, they are drinking beers.
How to do it?
Oh, we make.
You do it. Okay.
Please. Okay. Thank you.
Ikain na. Ikain na.
Masarap naman. Ako nagkikrave ako ng kanin. Paano ko kaubusin to? Saan pwede siyang pulutan? Kaya pala nagiinom sila dito. Pampulutan pala. Hindi ako mabubusog dito. Kape na lang ako. CR nila. Amazing. Dami naman magjowa dito. Kala ko bawal PDA dito. Pero ang dami ko na nakikitang magjowa. Sana all. Kaloka. Uwi na ako. Uwi na ako. Wala na ibang napuntahan. Namili na lang ako ng namili. Dito. Initial plan was going to Tokyo Skytree right after eating. But ayun, hindi na ako natuloy kasi takot talaga akong maiwan ng train and takot din akong masyadong gabihin. This is my first time. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-confident mawala mag-isa. Kaya, ayun, umuwi na lang ako.
Sobrang Latina!
I kind of regret not exploring more of Tokyo, but wala eh. Next time na lang. Sana may kasama na ako, di ba? Diyos ko, Lord. Agang hike nito.
Okay, clear view of Mount Fuji this side. And about 20 minutes from now, you can see the clear Mount Fuji again. This side. Okay?
Ito ba? Muusok yung bibig ko. Oh my god. So pretty. Well, we're gonna be leaving soon. Oh! I have to go back. Yes, please. Oh, thank you.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Charmaine.
Hi, Charmaine. I'm Monica.
Monica.
And I'm you.
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 Okay. No, I watched some video. It's like, I think that's a movie.
Oh, yeah.
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Emmy lang. Guys, andito na tayo sa Hacienda Outlet. Mamimili tayo ng... Ano bibili natin? Mamimili na naman tayo. So, parang lumayo ako dito para mamili. Ano? Wala akong masabi. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Sige, let's go. Ubusin mo lahat ng pera mo. Ang cute ng mga vendo dito, guys. Cutie. Oh, orangey. Fresh orange. Wow. How much? 500 yen. 500 yen each. Yan, sige. Titingin muna ako dito. Bye! CR muna ako. Wow! What a view.
You're my best view.
It's a view deck. But, there's Mount Fuji, pero ayan, nagtago siya. Ah! Ganda ng view. Ay, ang ganda, Lord. Bakit hindi ako dito pinanganak? Lord, ba't hindi ako naging Japanese, Lord? Ganda. Yun muna tayo, manilip muna tayo nang tumatay sa bundok. Wow. Madilim, guys, tinry ko. Kailangan magbayad. 100 yen per few seconds. Kamot naman. May bayad, be. Wag na, ito na lang. Dito naman, designer brands. Balenciaga. Bottega. YSL. Sorot. Sana magkaya tong i-pronounce. Libre, ano?
When you start Family Mart, what was the color of the sign? Brown again, right? Here we call the Senbokubara Field, Senbokubara Field area. Both sides, Suzuki in Japanese. Japanese purpose glass in English. The view around here is really nice. But
Baho, guys. Baho. Makudu. Baho. Okay lang naman ako, guys. Sa Mount Everest. Charis. Walang mag-picture sa akin. Video na lang ako. Owakudani is a volcanic valley in Japan, Hakones region, known for its hot springs, sulfur vents, and black eggs. The eggs are boiled in hot sulfur springs, which gives it the distinct color of black. Ang sabi is, when you eat one black egg, haba yung buhay mo ng 7 years. Ayun, hindi na ako kumain kasi I have enough of this life. Charot. Nakakahiya nung mag-asasabi din tayo mag-picture.
About you all the time, babe, 24/7. I wish that you could say the same, but it's not ever mutual. No, it's just the usual. I care too.
Ganda ng view, tapos nag-relax ka.
I'm Jisoo, I'm okay.
Ay, Lord.
I'm kinda used to it by now.
Hala, si Celine.
Di ako si Celine.
You'll never be Celine.
And you will never be Celine.
I give it all to you. You don't seem to care, and that's not fair. Wish I could tell how you feel instead of feeling ignored. If you don't appreciate me now, tell me, what am I staying for? I'm good at acting like I'm fine, and then I write these songs, but I can get over dramatic, and I'm so wrong sometimes. But if you could reply and just
Bye. Bye-bye. Uwian na siguro.
I respect that you have a life, and
Bye.
you know I've got mine too. Did it ever cross your mind that a part of my life is you alone? My girl can take control. Need you to say that we're okay. Cause you thought that you could let up, but even that